This is gonna sound crazy, but sometimes parents talk too much when trying to help their toddler talk. I know, it sounds backwards, but if you've been narrating everything, labeling every toy, and still waiting to hear new words, this might be the missing piece. I'm Melissa, a speech therapist and mom of 3, and in this video, I'm gonna show you what actually helps your toddler talk more. By the end, you're gonna understand why so many parents who do all the right things still don't hear new words, and the small shifts that completely change how toddlers respond. Because when you know how to connect in this one simple way, you'll start seeing those little sparks, more attention, more back and forth, and yes, more words. And if you're passionate about helping your toddler find their voice, click subscribe so you don't miss my next video on speech and language development. Here's the thing, language is a two-way street. When we fill every silence with words, toddlers don't get the space they need to join in. They tune out, or they never get the chance to take their turn. The secret isn't to talk more, it's to be intentional about how you talk and making space for them to respond, even if that response is just a sound, a gesture, or a look. This kind of back and forth interaction, what Harvard researchers call serve and return communication, has been shown to be one of the biggest predictors of early language growth, and it literally helps build the brain architecture for communication and learning. I worked with a mom named Sofia whose 2-year-old was stuck at about 20 words. She told me, I talk to him all day, I describe everything we do, but he just doesn't talk back. When I watched them play, I saw something so common. Sofia was amazing at talking, but she didn't leave space for him to respond. Every time he looked at her or made a sound, she jumped in with more words. So he never got the chance to take his turn. Once she started slowing down and adding a pause after what she said, everything changed. Here's why this works. Toddlers need more time to process what they hear than we realize. Their brains are busy linking sounds, meanings, and muscle movements to form words. And when we rush to fill in every silence, we accidentally take away their chance to respond. So one of the best things you can do is use what I call the 5-second pause. After you model a word, silently count to 5 in your head. That quiet space feels long, I know, but it gives your toddler's brain time to plan and speak. Tip number 1, say less but keep it natural. Here's where a lot of parents overcorrect. They try and fill every moment with language, thinking more words equals more learning. But what toddlers really need is language that's clear, simple, and meaningful. Instead of giving long sentences like, okay, we're gonna go to the park and put on our shoes and get in the car, try short, powerful sentences. It's time for shoes. Put your shoes on. It's park time. Let's go to the park. These short but grammatically correct sentences are easier for toddlers to process and imitate. Less language actually helps them use language more. Now, I sometimes get pushback here from parents who say, well, I talk to my child like an adult and there's no need to simplify. And I totally get that. We want to respect our child's intelligence. The key here is balance. Use a mix of simple and complex language. Think of it this way. If you were learning a new language and someone spoke in long, detailed sentences, you'd have a hard time picking out which words meant what. But if they pointed and clearly labeled something, cup, I see a dog, put your shoe on, you'd connect meaning to those words so much faster, and that's exactly how your toddler learns too. Tip number 2, wait and watch. Next time you're talking to your toddler, say one thing and then wait. Watch their face, their mouth, their hands. If they make a sound or a gesture, even a little one, respond like it's the best conversation ever. You're teaching them that communication is a two-way exchange and that their turn matters. Tip number 3, your affect matters. When it comes to helping your toddler talk, how you say things matters just as much as what you say. Your affect, meaning your facial expressions, your tone of voice, and your overall emotional energy, is what helps your toddler stay engaged and understand that communication is fun and meaningful. Toddlers respond best to heightened affect. That warm, sing-song tone, expressive face, and playful rhythm that naturally draws them in. This isn't random. It's a research-backed approach called parentese, sometimes known as infant-directed speech or motherese. Parentese isn't baby talk. It's real words said with slower pacing, exaggerated pitch, and clear emotion. Research from the University of Washington and others shows that when parents use this style, toddlers pay more attention, process language better, and are more likely to imitate sounds and words. You don't need to perform or overly exaggerate, but if your toddler doesn't respond or mimic you when you speak in a flat, quiet tone, try making your voice a little more sing-song, expressive, and animated, and watch their face light up. Those small shifts in your affect make your toddler want to tune in. And when they're tuned in, they're far more likely to imitate, respond, and talk back. A few weeks after Sofia started pausing and simplifying her speech just a bit, her toddler went from around 20 words to just under the 50-word milestone. She told me, "It's like I finally gave him space to talk and he took it." Sometimes helping your toddler talk more isn't about adding more. It's about creating space and making your words easier to absorb. And when you know how to do that intentionally, progress can happen fast. So the next time you catch yourself narrating nonstop, pause. Take a beat. Count to 5. See what your toddler does with that silence. Tell me in the comments below, do you think you might be talking too much during playtime? We've all been there. I'm guilty of that too. Or have you tried simplifying how you talk to your toddler and what was the response? If you want me to walk you through exactly how to get your toddler saying more words step by step, join my free class linked below. You'll learn the 5 key skills that make words click and how to use your everyday moments to help your child find their voice.